I need hammer.
Just run around.
Yeah.
There's bodies everywhere. Yeah, got him on the roof. I'm just gonna run these bags.
Okay. Alright, there's like 2.5 minutes left on the drill.
Okay. Oh! Oh! Long shot.
Oh.
All the way across the map. Headshot on a sniper. Oh yeah.
Ow, ow, ow. That's what I get for getting ammo.
Fuck that civilian. I don't even care.
Okay, there's a minute and a half left.
Okay. So, I guess I'm gonna need to get on the roof of this soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that right now. Don't die. Headshot. Nipple shot. Dogs?
Dog.
Holy shit. The roof is a deadly place.
Ow.
Oh, god damn it.
Ah.
My dogs won't stop fucking barking. Holly was barking like all this morning.
Restart it.
Gus was barking all this morning. I fucking hate it.
Yeah. Alright, let's try to do the keycard thing again. Because that seems to work better, but let's stick with the heavy armor.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Two people need to go back inside. Go back inside. Go back inside. Please, go back inside. Pretty please. Pretty please. Pretty please go back inside.
Pribby prib.
Pretty please go back inside.
Does our viewers know about the audio thing?
Audio what? Oh. No, not yet.
Jeez.
We can, we'll announce it tomorrow once we set it up.
Yeah. There's a thing!
It's gonna be cool. Yeah.
It's professional. It's tactical. I was freaking out because I gotta take Holly on a walk and give her a bath.
Play dog.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, you know how games do like those lazy reflections where it's just a picture?
Hey Glenn. Glenn T. Dickey.
Oh shit, hey man.
Glenn T. Dickey. Yes, welcome to the Pizza Virus. We're playing Payday and we're just waiting for these two people to go back inside. Grace, stop being so social.
Being antisocial is the way of the future.
I'm pretty good, Glenn. Glenn T. Dickey. Glenn T. Dickey. I don't know.
Glenn T. Dickey.
I'm pretty good. How about you?
I'm decent. How's your decent?
I'm not talking to you.
Him.
Bounce. I'm just gonna try to sneak around.
Good.
Oh, no, there's a person walking around.
You should do it.
No.
Old meme. Old
Why
meme.
is this lady walking
What?
right towards us? Look at this lady. She's crazy.
She's like the Terminator.
She's walking right towards us. What in the world? What is this? Oh my god. What is this lady doing? That was weird.
Wait, what the shit? What is she doing? She's still just walking around.
That was really weird. Maybe it's the game telling us to just hurry up and go ahead.
Yeah.
Alright. Glenn? Alright. I'll call you Glenn. He wants us to call us Glenn.
Fine. I want you. No, I'm gonna call you Dickie.
Wow.
I'm a
That's
rebel.
rude.
And I hate all of our viewers.
That's false.
Yeah, no, that's false. I love every one of you. Including you, Glenn. Oh,
Even
just
you.
me.
Yes, even you. Alright, I'm putting down ECM Jammer. Get ready.
Oh shit. Mask. Okay.
Alright. That's a cop.
Okay, do it. Kill the cop, get his pager. I'll get the indoors.
Oh my god. What the heck? Restart it. Killing every civilian.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't even matter.
For some reason you guys can't pronounce names anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, I think it's like a Twitch streamer thing.
We're just... I thought you were gonna say it's just like a Twitch. It's like... Where you got like... Twitch. Thanks for watching. Here's another video to make up for the absence of yesterday's video. And if you want to see more, make sure to check out the links in the description below. See ya.